Hello, future investors. Welcome back to the channel. First off, if you are a value or a dividend investor, this video is not for you. Today, we want you to have the mindset of a growth investor. Each type of investment is great, as long as it fits your strategy, personality, and objectives. But we all know that there is a higher risk and reward profile attached to growth stocks. Are you tired of watching your AT&T, Verizon, WBA, or 3M stocks stuck in the same place? Have you lost money on them even if you add dividends to the calculations? That's right, it happens more often than we think. So today, let's try to beat the denominator. As good long-term investors, we should be patient to wait for best opportunities to present themselves in the right time. It's like picking up great fruits right after they fall down a tree. Low energy spent, high return. Remember, it's better to lose an opportunity than to lose money. Never lose money because you will need to increase your gains by 200% just to get back to where you started. Today, we're diving into the top 5 growth stocks to buy in May 2024. Remember, none of this is financial advice or recommendation. Please do your own due diligence. This is only for entertainment purposes, nothing more. These are companies I'm personally excited about, and I think they have the potential to absolutely explode in the coming years. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, the data analytics behemoth. If you haven't heard of them, they basically provide software that helps organizations analyze massive amounts of data. We're talking government agencies, intelligence communities, even big corporations. You can see Palantir's stock has been on a wild ride over the past year. But there are so many growth levers into this stock that is not even funny. They will have so many catalysts in the near future that, aside of the Wall Street manipulation game, Palantir is only in the beginning of its journey. Buying this company below $20 may be a good start. Buying it under $15 may be great for DCA. Buying it under $10 may be a lifetime opportunity. They recently added AIP boot camps to their sales strategy, and it's working in a transformative way. Plus, the commercial side of business is taking off. Earnings have been great since they got to profitability, and there is a significant increasing adoption of their software. Palantir's CEO, Alex Karp, told us years ago that the world is getting more and more dangerous. He may look like a mad scientist, but the man has proven himself as a reliable visionary and very well connected within inner circles of politicians in several countries. In fact, wars are becoming more and more frequent, and each country needs to rely on the best data to take the best decisions. For all of these reasons and more, I think Palantir is one to watch, and you should add it to your shortlist to study it further on. Next, we have Nvidia, NVDA. You know them, you might even own one of their graphics cards. They're the kings of GPUs, which are essential for everything from gaming to artificial intelligence. They do need to start thinking of getting a new name for the super AI chips, because they are not graphic processing units, GPUs. But anyway, and speaking of AI, that's where things get really interesting for Nvidia. They just reached their all-time high during their last earnings report, and Jansen talked enthusiastically about a new industrial revolution that has begun. Guess who's at the center of that revolution? It's Nvidia, providing the hardware so that companies like Meta, Palantir, Microsoft, Google, Tesla, and other may create the future. Also, for the first time, countries are interacting with them for strategic partnerships using their technology. With the rise of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the metaverse, I think Nvidia is just getting started. It seems hard to buy a company for $1,000 when 1.5 years ago it costed Bello $150. But this is called progress, and you cannot stop progress, can you? Now for our 3 pick, let's talk about Fubo TV, Fubo. They're a live TV streaming platform that's focused on sports. And in a world where cable is dying, Fubo is well positioned to capitalize. They've had their ups and downs. Wall Street hates them, shorts love them, longs are just waiting for that generational opportunity. The price is a roller coaster, check it out. And now they are, again, priced to bankrupt, since Bob Iger and Disney teamed up with the big guys to create a joint venture to build up Venue, a competitor for the same pace. Fubo opened a strong lawsuit, and Wall Street only cares about that outcome right now. So as we said earlier, high risk, high reward. But with a growing subscriber base and a strong focus on live sports and new partnerships such as the BKFC event, sponsored by the infamous Conor McGregor, Fubo may have a home run in its way. For all of this, we think Fubo has the potential to be a major competitor in the streaming wars. Moving on to Sofi, the one-stop shop for all your financial needs. From loans to investing to banking, Sofi wants to be your go-to financial platform, and their numbers confirm their ambitions. We've been following this company for more than 2 years now, and we must say that their CEO, Anthony Noto, just doesn't disappoint. He is on a mission and understands the game, even if the game doesn't understand him. What about the Sofi Stadium and the partnership with NBA? Our advice to you is, go and make your due diligence in this one. You will not regret it. Of course, competition in the fintech space is fierce, but Sofi's loyal user base and innovative products make them a compelling growth stock to consider. Last but not least, we have Shopify. They provide the backbone for countless e-commerce businesses, and their platform is only getting stronger. Shopify's stock has been on an absolute tear in recent weeks due to the latest earnings report, but this is short-term headwinds. The future is bright, and Toby knows how to steer the ship. As e-commerce continues to grow, Shopify is a no-brainer for investors looking to capitalize on this trend, mainly at the current prices. So there you have it, my top 5 growth stocks to buy in May 2024. From data analytics to artificial intelligence to the future of TV, these companies are at the forefront of innovation and have the potential to generate massive returns for investors. But remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, understand the risks, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. I will see you in a great future.